Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change email address in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will be redirected to the official page of Doordash. So once you are here, you need to get logged in into your account and simply tap on the hamburger-like icon on the left-hand side of the corner. After you do so, tap on the account section where you can find the email address. So now, simply go and tap on the email address section and type in the new email address which you want to change your email address of Doordash into. After the email address has been typed, you need to now hit the save button. After doing this, you need to verify the two-step verification by typing the 6-digit code sent to your registered number, or you can also send it via email and hit the submit button. After all this process is completed, you can simply change your email address in your Doordash account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.